Is Walmart automation a scam? I'll dive into this whole thing right now. But first, let's go like and subscribe. This episode is going to be jam-packed. Let's tune in. Is Walmart automation a scam? No, it's not at all. But thanks for clicking on it. Walmart automation is not a scam whatsoever. I don't think any type of Walmart automation, Amazon automation, Facebook automation, none of it is a scam. I do think you do need to be well capitalized, and I think it is an easy, if you have the money, it's an amazing investment. We own two different Walmart stores, but what happened with Walmart is that Walmart changed up their algorithm and they shut down, I believe, 60,000 of the 80,000 accounts. It didn't matter who you were. They just cut off everybody. You just can't sell, period. Your accounts are terminated. And they have lawsuits on their hands and everything else. But anyone who did buy Walmart, we bought two of them. Some of our friends bought some with the companies we bought them with. And then because that happened, you just have to go back to Amazon, which is fine. And Amazon automation is still amazing. You don't cash flow for I'd say a year. You won't cash flow at all, just to be prepared. But you can still get 10% to if it's an amazing operator and you hit a lucky algorithm, 20% returns. But the automation game is 100% real, and it's an amazing investment if you can pick the right operator. If you guys are interested in finding a legitimate operator, I have a couple that I've gone through who I like and trust. But I would tell you right now, before you do go spend X amount of money, I don't know what you do spend on your automation companies. Generally, I pay more just because I know the people and they're legitimate. Make sure you do some research, because one thing that will happen, and you're like, oh man, I got scammed with automation. I hear the story all the time, is you chose a bad operator. And that is the number one way to get your stores run into the ground. Because let's just say they took your upfront fee, they set it up, they run it, but they've never actually run one. And now they're running it and it's just awful. It's awful. It just doesn't work. At that point, and you're out of money, and you can take them to court, but they may declare bankruptcy, and that's an actual thing. So, and it's just like anything else, right? If you invest with the wrong syndicator, something they still could run it into the ground. That I think the operator is number one overall, the most important thing you could ever choose. But Walmart automation is not a scam. I think it's an amazing investment. Our Amazon store, at a point in time before, one of our bad operators who got our Amazon store shut down, and now we have a new one, was making us $5,000 a month. That is a great investment for me off of, I think we spent like 45 grand. Right? I mean, for me, okay, cool. I place it there. I got the tax write-off and I get $5 grand a month. Hell yes. Let's keep on moving. Let's keep on paying them. Let's keep it running. More times than not, if you choose the right operator, that's the type of results you're going to get. Walmart automation is not a scam. Amazon automation is not a scam. But do research on whoever you are buying the store from. That's what'll get you. People will scam you, but people will scam you in real estate. People will scam you in everywhere, right? Just know who you're working with and you'll be fine. But Walmart automation is not a scam. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know this was a really quick video. Walmart will be back eventually. Right now, on this date, majority of people are selling Amazon automation stores for now until Walmart pulls their shit together. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there.